Hi sneaker family, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm Chynah and welcome. So today we're going to be doing a review on the Yeezy 350s, the Sulfurs. They came out May 9th, 2020 and they released for, oh my god, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. They retailed for $220. So I think we all know what's next. We gotta get into the box. All right, it's your standard 350 Boost box. Ew, I just said Boost box. That no one says that. Don't listen to me. But nothing special about the box. So let's get into the shoe. All right, so this is the shoe, and as always, we're gonna start with the sole. Oh, that's cool. It's yellow. So the sole has a gum bottom and ooh. Sorry, there's stuff on it. I'm selling these shoes, but and it has the boost right here, which is crazy because in my last video review on the 500s, and I was talking about how like 350s have boost and then 500s have the Adi Premium Plus. So here's the boost. Sorry to go off topic, but in my last video, I definitely said that Yeezys don't come in half sizes. I don't know what crack I was smoking at the time, but they do. I don't know why I said that. I was probably just nervous. Midsole. What the? There's something on the shoe. It's like, is it glue? It might be dried up glue. It might. Whatever. Midsole, green, and then the upper. Honestly, I am so stuck on what material this is. Like, it's like a knit material, but like this part, it's not mesh. It's not mesh. I don't know. People are probably gonna watch this video and be like, this girl has no idea what she's talking about. Yeah, and then let's get into the back. You can still see like the gum part right here, and then you've got your pull tab. And then the back of this part, I'm like 80% sure it's reflective because on my other ones, I said me. On my other ones, they're reflective. If it's not, then oops. But either which way, like no one will be able to see it because your ankle will be covering it. But yeah, so that's the, my dog just came in my room. That is the Sulfur. Cool. I would have done an on foot review. Well, not an on foot review, but like I would have tried the shoe on so you could see what it looks like on foot. But unfortunately, this is not my size. So that won't be happening today. Like 350s already make my foot look big, and I'm not putting on a shoe that's too big for me and it'll look even bigger. No man, no hamo, turkey or jam. But if you want to blame anybody for that, you can blame my mother. It's her fault because I was on the computer on Yeezy Supply and she was on her phone on Yeezy Supply, and she got in first. So she got in first, so she's supposed to get R7 and get the shoe, but Miss Amira was sitting over there with complications. Like she got in and I guess, I don't know what happened. Like she tried to add our size to her cart and it added, but then when she tried to check out, the size, like it just disappeared. So yeah, I don't know what was going on in her little corner while she was on her space and I was in the spot. It just wasn't working out. But I got in on Yeezy Supply, and then by the time that I got in, all there was 8 and above, and I knew I wanted to do a review on this, so I was just like, I'm gonna just get the 8. So yeah, this pandemic is killing me getting shoes because unfortunately, like I said before, I'm not working right now. Like I can't go and just get my shoes from my store and then that be that. Like I have to go online and wait. So ghetto. But and trying to get these and then trying to get the royal toes at the same time, like I said before, I don't have patience. I have no patience whatsoever. So the whole waiting room and going to all these websites and you have to sit there and wait, like it frustrates me. It legitimately. I was in my mom's room, I was on the computer, and I had spicy armpits the entire time trying to wait to get all these shoes. So to sit there and look at the same screen over and over again was killing me because I had Easy Supply going up on my computer, and then on my phone I had Finish Line going for the royal toes, like on my phone and my brother's phone, and then I had my mom on her phone on Easy Supply. So like that's double anxiety. Like I'm sorry, but all that taught me was I don't do well under pressure because I couldn't handle it. Like I was legit in the chair, like I was going through it. And the thing about me is like I don't have patience, but I wasn't quitting. Like I wasn't quitting because I really wanted these shoes. I really wanted both of them to do a review. So me and my mom were literally up for 2 hours trying to see if we could get these shoes.
Ugh, it was too much. It was too much, and I wasn't here for it. Wasn't here for it at all.
Luckily, I ended up getting these, but I wasn't so lucky with the royal toes. I did not get those. So, like I said, like this pandemic, like the corona is really killing me getting shoes, because if I was at my store, I would have got them. I said that to say this, the lesson of that is I think I'm going to get a bot. I honestly think I'm going to get a bot because I think I'm just going to get a bot because this whole waiting, I don't have time for it. And then people with bots definitely getting faster, and it hurries up and like secures their pairs. That's what I think I'm gonna do. So I think I'm gonna do that, because that whole 2 hours and me being sweaty, no, I'm not here for it. Too cute for that. No ma'am.
2 hours later.
And then not only that, but shipping too. Like these took a whole week to get here. When I ordered the 6s, the DMPs, those took, I want to say 3 days.
Really, 3 or 4 days.
Not Saturday, and I got them on Wednesday. So yeah, but this took a whole week, and it wasn't supposed to even take that long, but UPS kept pushing it back. These were supposed to get here like 2 or 3 days ago, but what are you gonna do? If you ended up liking the shoe, as always, I'm gonna put a few links in the description box where you guys can purchase them. So probably like Stockx, Go, Play Club, you know, things of that nature. If you are here, that means you made it to the end of my video. So you might as well click that subscribe button. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, still give it a thumbs up. I don't know who's disliking my videos, but I'm gonna need you to stop, get you hurting my feelings. Like, I'm sensitive. Please stop. If you, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. So make sure you hit the bell to get notified when I post. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.